Good morning, students. Flowers of Paradise Public School, Malpe, PowerPoint presentation, Social Science, 10th standard. In this lesson, the extension of the British rule, we learn British annexed various kingdoms with cunning policies like subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse, and studied in the second part. During that period, British waged 3 Anglo-Maratha wars, and we discuss today the 3 Anglo-Maratha wars in their 2 wars. First Anglo-Maratha War, 1775 to 1782. The Maratha installed Shah Alam II back to Mughal Empire in Delhi, and for that Allahabad was given back to Marathas by the Mughal ruler. And in between, the Marathas and the British during this period, the death of Maratha strong man Madhavrao Peshwa was a major setback to Marathas. So his brother Narayan Rao came to power. He was murdered by his uncle Raghunath Rao. This resulted in the infighting for the Peshwa's post. The Marathas Federation brought Madhavrao II, the minor son of Narayan Rao, to the post of Peshwa. Upset with this development, Raghuba approached the British for support. The British fought off exploiting this situation in their favor. A long war was waged from 1775 to 1782 between the Marathas and the British. Initially, though Marathas gained upper hand, later they had to lose Ahmedabad to the British. The Maratha Federation was unable to sustain the war. With the British finally entered the Salabai Agreement and ended the war, Madhavrao II was named as the Peshwa. Even though the first Anglo-Maratha War was fought between Peshwas and British, in this Salabai Agreement, major decision was took in favor of the Peshwas, and Peshwas rule was continued in South India. That is the major point we have to understand on here. See the image carefully here. First Anglo-Maratha War, first image belongs to the British and Marathas fight. Second image, Peshwas meeting hall. Third one, Salabai Agreement. Lord Wellesley, 1798 to 1805. Subsidiary alliance. British subsidiary policy brought by Wellesley made Maratha and Mysore dynasty weak, and British expansion was easier. Waging war against new states under British control was continued by him. Subsidiary alliance. According to this, the conditions, the Indian king had to keep the British army in his kingdom. The state concerned had to bear the expenses of the army and the wages of soldiers, and also had to give certain revenue lands as well. Third one, the king had to have a British resident in his court. Fourth one, the king could not appoint any other European without the permission of the British. Fifth one, in order to enter into the agreement or pact with any Indian state, the permission of the Governor General was mandatory. Sixth one and last one, in return for all these services, the company would offer protection to the state from any internal or external aggression. Here, notable point we have to see, Balaji Bajirao II was a great ruler of Peshwas from 1775 to 1851. In between that, second Anglo-Maratha War was fought between Yashwantrao Holkar and Daulat Rao Scindia. Second Anglo-Maratha War, 1803 to 1805. Difference between Maratha chieftains was the reason of the war. Yashwantrao of Holkar family fought with Daulat Rao of Scindia family of Peshwa. Scindia Peshwa was appealed for help with British. Lord Wellesley meddled with these affairs of Marathas. Scindia Peshwa entered the subsidiary alliance system by accepting the Treaty of Basin. Holkar, Gwalior and Bhosle went against British. Marathas Union, Holkar, Gwalior and Bhosle formed an alliance opposing against the British, and war was waged between British and Marathas. Lord Wellesley defeated the armies of various Maratha families from 1803 to 1805, but his battle-thirstiness increased the financial burden on the company. On being criticized for this policy, Lord Wellesley resigned from his post and returned to England. This resulted in the peace in the region and Second Anglo-Maratha War ends. So students, understand the lesson proper. Exercise given on here, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Answer the following. Kindly understand the lesson proper again and have answer for these questions. Send the copy as earlier date. All the best. Have a nice day.